One of the major things you need to know about the library is that this makes a great selfie. Get your student ID. This is the textbook section. We don't have them all, but what we have is available here to be checked out to the end of the quarter. We have a great new book section, and guess what? We'd like you to help. Do you see something we should get? We'd love to hear from you. We even have graphic novels. And look at the rest of the library. Children's books, graphic novels, young adult books, computers you can use. Check out Whiteboards. I use them here. Our study rooms are first come, first served, but check this out. Whiteboards, Flatscreens, room to work. Check out laptops for the quarter. You check out calculators, webcams.
You're probably asking, how am I going to find all of those books? I tell you what, pick up with the orientation to the website, and I'll show you the library catalog and some other great services.